Mastering English, Understanding Be Frugal. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have an interesting phrase to explore together, be frugal. This is a phrase that you might come across in books, articles, or even in everyday conversations. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of what it means to be frugal, and how to use it in your own conversations. So, let's dive right in. The phrase, be frugal, consists of two words, be and frugal. The word, be, is a verb that acts as a linking verb in this case, connecting the subject to an adjective which describes or identifies it. The word, frugal, on the other hand, is an adjective that describes someone who is careful with their use of money and resources, aiming to save as much as possible and avoid waste. Being frugal often has a positive connotation. It suggests that a person is responsible, smart, and thoughtful about their financial choices. It does not necessarily mean that the person is stingy or unwilling to spend money. Rather, it indicates that when they do spend money, they do so with careful thought and planning. However, it's important to note that in some contexts or cultures, being frugal could potentially have a negative connotation, implying that someone is too tight with their money, to the point of being stingy or miserly. The perception really depends on the context and the extent of the frugality. Let's go through some examples to see how be frugal can be used in sentences. 1. Jane decided to be frugal and save her money instead of going out to an expensive dinner with her friends. 2. During the economic downturn, many families had to be frugal and cut back on unnecessary expenses. 3. Even though he is quite wealthy, Mr. Smith chooses to be frugal with his money to ensure a secure future for his family. In these examples, being frugal is associated with making wise financial decisions and saving money. If you're interested in adopting a more frugal lifestyle, here are some tips. 1. Create a budget. Know where your money is going and plan accordingly. 2. Avoid impulse purchases. Think carefully before making a purchase, especially if it's a big one. 3. Look for deals and discounts. Take advantage of sales and discounts when shopping. 4. Prioritize your spending. Focus on spending money on essentials and things that truly matter to you. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, be frugal. Remember, being frugal is all about being smart with your money, making thoughtful decisions, and avoiding unnecessary waste. It's a valuable skill that can lead to financial stability and peace of mind. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of be frugal for you. If you have any questions or need further examples, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.